flight, you will see our jumper for this morning's jump. We have 2 jumpers coming out of this morning's pass. The first pass for the United States Army Golden Knights parachute team. One will be jumping with our American flag. One will be jumping with the Canadian flag.
Oh my God, now we can go to that.
U.S. Code, Title 36, Chapter 10, Subparagraph 171. Please stand, remove your cover, face the flag, and hand over heart for this time for a Canadian anthem, please. And the singing our Canadian anthem this morning is Riley McAvoy. Now, she's an Atlantic City native, who's only 13 years old. She's going to be singing our national anthem, both of our national anthem for today. Sergeant First Class Rich Young, pulling 805 jumps from Kokomo, Indiana. He's a military police officer. Now, next jumper coming up will be our narrator for the Golden Knights this morning. This is Sergeant First Class Rich Young, 805 jump. I'm sorry, this is Ryan Reese, Sergeant. Over 1,200 plus jumps up to Tacoma, Washington, jumping with our U.S. flag for us this morning. Riley, it's all yours, kid, man.
smoke is on! We now have members of the Golden Knights in free fall, rapidly approaching speeds of 120 miles per hour. The initial part of the formation forms quickly as the initial jumpers fly their bodies together, forming the nucleus of the formation. The outside jumpers use their arms, legs, and shoulders as flight controls to fly down and safely complete the formation. The formation continues to fall at 120 miles per hour. Watch for the cannon piece. There you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights. Now, as you may have guessed, these jumpers are faced with a unique situation, a traffic jam in the sky. These jumpers must first gain vertical separation to allow for individual approaches into the target area. This is accomplished by pulling down on the front part of the parachute and spiraling earthward at up to 60 miles per hour. This allows the jumpers to set up a traffic pattern, just like you may see aircraft at a busy airport. The parachutes used by the Golden Knights are flexible wing gliders constructed of a lightweight ripstop nylon. These parachutes have an 8-carat forward airspeed, 22 miles per hour. To turn left, the jumper pulls down on the left steering line. To turn right, the jumper simply pulls down on the right steering line. As the jumper nears the ground, you will pull down on both steering lines simultaneously for the safest and softest possible landing. Watch the corrections this first jumper uses, pulling down on those control lines to set himself up for a beautiful target area landing. You may notice the front of these parachutes have 7 openings. These holes allow the parachute to have air forced in, inflating the flexible wing glider. Those control lines are attached to the 2 rear sections of the canopy, allowing these jumpers to slow their rate of descent and also decrease their forward speed. Moving high and to your right, it may appear these canopies have become entangled. However, that is not the case. These jumpers are actually performing a facet of the story called canopy relative work. Thanks in part to the advanced aerodynamic design of these Ram Air canopies, it is possible for one jumper to fly his canopy right through the hands of another jumper without adversely affecting the flight characteristics of either parachute. The formation you see here is called a side-by-side. Unlike in freefall, these jumpers can carry on a conversation just like you and I here on the ground. As these canopies fly overhead, you may notice these jumpers shot up against each other. This allows them to set up a traffic pattern and land both parachutes in such a small target area. If you thought landing one parachute was hard, watch as these 2 jumpers demonstrate how to bring in this side-by-side. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, as these jumpers bring it into the target area. Moments ago, these jumpers were more than 2.5 miles up. Thanks in part to these parachutes, these jumpers were able to overcome the variations of the wind